You know, as you walk around campus, you don't see much about the history of the presence of African Americans on campus. So we started out with conversations about how do we create space or spaces where those stories can be told so that African American students can see themselves on campus.
I had a wonderful experience here as an undergrad, but the experience I had was somewhat siloed from the campus as a whole. And what I think it's important for people to understand is that Black history at UF is a part of history at UF. And this wall symbolizes that. We now have a taste of Black history and the contributions of Black alumni, faculty, and staff.
It just brings me overwhelming joy. Those who have been through so much are being recognized. I just hope that everyone who views the wall, that they recognize there's a story behind each and every person. So I hope that it doesn't end with just viewing the wall, that they will go back and do their own research and realize that there were some struggles and some sacrifices that went into African American students being here on campus.
I want people to smile. I want people to see it and be curious. I walk up to it and read some of what's on it and just to grow from it. I want our Black students and staff and families that come to visit to see it and feel like, wow, I really can be a part of this campus too.
Being Black on campus to me means that you are representing not only yourself, you're representing the community that you've come from.
This is your campus. You are a part of the Gator Nation. Don't be shy in it. Experience everything, go everywhere.
It is absolutely amazing to see the wall completed. It looks great. You know, we had a committee that worked extremely hard. It's been a great process for us to work as a community to bring this to fruition, but to actually see it now in color is absolutely amazing.